Let's now talk about Instagram algorithm this 2025 for us to reach those people who are not following us. On the last video, we talked about Instagram algorithm but more on focus on people who are following us for us to reach those non-followers. And yes, we can definitely focus on those people who are not following us on what they called get viral. Because on Instagram, we have different algorithms. That's why we need to familiarize ourselves if we are a social media manager on those algorithms before offering it to client. And Instagram pa lang to. Since we have different social media platforms, ibig sabihin, iba din sa Facebook, iba din sa TikTok, iba din sa YouTube or any other platform. That's why you guys, if nag-i-start ka pa lang, mas better talaga na mag-start ka sa isang platform muna. Alamin mo muna lahat ng algorithm doon, following, non-following, or any other algorithm that is existing on that social media platform because Instagram itself is overwhelming na. And after this video, you will learn a lot about Instagram algorithm, especially on Reels tab and Explore page. Because those two algorithms are focused on reaching to non-followers. And if you're a social media manager with a client that increase brand awareness, go viral yung goal, so this video is for you because it will help you understand on how to reach that goal. First, let's focus on Reels tab algorithm. If you guys are familiar, we have Reels tab on Instagram. It looks like this. It is where you will see a lot of reels created, actually pati carousel with an audio, nagpapakita din sa Reels tab na yun. As you can see, most of the people na nakikita yung videos doon sa Reels tab is those are the people that you are not following. And same goes with our target audience or with our client. If our content will show up in the Reels tab, ibig sabihin, yung mga hindi nagfa-follow sa atin, yun yung nakakakita nun. But, paano ba nagwo-work si Reels algorithm? Because there are times na hindi magpapakita yung videos natin dun sa Reels tab ng ating target audience. So, how it works? Maliit man ang following mo, malaki man yan, nasa 10,000 or less than 1,000 followers ka, lalabas at lalabas ka sa Reels tab. But, make sure that your content is shareable. If you really want to push your content to those non-followers. Because Reels tab algorithm, especially if your content will make people share it to their friends, ibig sabihin, Instagram will find it, okay, this content is interest of the target audience. That's why your content will push more to those kind of people. But if your content is not shareable enough, it is not relatable to your target audience, hanggang dun lang yon. Hindi na yan ipupush ni Instagram dun sa other people. On this article, you will see that your content being pushed to small group of audience and then palaki na siya ng palaki kapag nalaman ni algorithm that your content is interest din ng audience. That's why, make sure that your content or reels that you are creating, it is something that your target audience will relate or it is something that your target audience friends or followers will relate on that. Bakit? Kasi, isi-share niya yun dun sa kaibigan niya eh. So, kailangan yung content mo is interest din ng kaibigan ng followers mo or ng mga target audience mo. Diba tayo, whenever we find some content that we think our friend will relate on this content, isi-share natin yun sa kanila. And that's the goal of the Reels tab. That will make that friend open Instagram account and check the message that you send to them. Kasi kapag share mo yun sa kaibigan mo, sasabihin mo, hoy, may share ako sa iyo sa Instagram, mag-open ka. And mapapa-open sila sa Instagram. And that's the goal of Instagram, to make people use the Instagram, their app, because dun lang sila kumikita. That's why you need to help Instagram to make people use it so that Instagram will help your content to push more people. So it is like give and take. Tulungan mo sila, tutulungan ka nila. It's very important for you to understand that because that's the basic na meron kay Instagram algorithm. If you really understand that part, it's very easy for you to grow on Instagram. And I hope you understand how Instagram works right now. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. And of course, other than the Reels tab algorithm, algorithm, we have Explore page. I know for sure that you guys are familiar with Explore page. It looks like this. Ayan, yung icon na yan, that's Explore page. And if you will see a lot of content na nandyan is yung mga content from those people you are not following. And if you want your content to show up there to your target audience, kailangan meron kang mga ganito sa content mo. Interest of your target audience. So meaning, kung makikita mo dyan sa Explore page na yan, ang mga nakikita mo is those are the content that you are interacting always. So if mahilig kang mag-check ng social media post, what's updated in social media, makikita mo yan sa Explore page mo about social media. Kasi you are always interacting with those kind of posts, nagla-like ka, nagko-comment ka, kaya nagpapakita yon sa mga Explore page mo because Instagram algorithm think that is your interest. And if you want, let's say, your target audience is small business owner, if you want your content to show up dun sa Explore page ng mga small business owners, kailangan ang content mo is interest ng business owner. So, ano yung mga interest ng business owner? And that's something na kailangan alam mo when you do the market research para yun yung gagawin mo. So, for example, business owners are always interacting with the content what to post next week. That's why you need to create content what to post next week, what's trending right now, and yun, boom, lalabas yung content mo sa Explore page or even sa Reels tab ng target audience mo. But of course, if your content is not engaging enough for them to click and tap that content because yes, it show up to the Explore page of your target audience pero kung hindi naman nila pipindutin or i-click yung content mo because they are not curious to know more about that content, wala din. That's why your content needs hook or kailangan maganda yung reel covers mo with a hook din. Kasi if you're creating reels, then gusto mo mapakita siya sa Explore page, kailangan yung reel cover mo is something that will drive curiosity to those people to make them click that content and know more what's inside that reel cover. Kaya kailangan yung content mo is maganda, may hook that will make them click that content. And other than that, hindi lang naman kasi reels ang napupunta sa Explore page. We also have carousels. Kung makikita nyo, may mga carousels dyan. Kaya dapat, yung mga carousel nyo, the first slide is curiosity-driven din. So kung sa reels type of content, meron tayong reel cover na will make them click the content. Sa carousel naman, we have the first slide that will make them click the content. So make sure it is curiosity-driven or it is something na eye-catchy to make people click and look at that content. And then, interest ng target audience mo na sa tingin mo, lagi silang nag-i-interact, nagla-like, nagko-comment dun sa content na yon, i-publish mo yung content na yon. But if it is not, and nakita mo lang siya ginawa ng competitor mo kaya mag-create ka ng ganong content, don't post that content because it's not worth it or hindi siya makaka-increase ng brand awareness. Hindi siya makaka-reach ng panibagong people or non-followers. Like this content that I am posting to my account, I have 5,000 followers only. And yung 5,000 na yon, 1 year na yan, last year pa din yan, 5,000 pa din yan, hindi siya nadadagdagan. And because it is not my goal to increase my followers, but if you can take a look of my content, I am posting like 2 times a month only, but I am reaching a lot of people, more than my followers and more than non-followers. And I am receiving inquiries because that's my goal. Here you will see 12,000 views sa carousel, which I only have 5,000 followers. And I am reaching non-followers. And most of my contents looks like that. It is more than my followers because I have achieved my goal to reach more people. And if you want to receive that as well to your account or to your client's account, make sure to follow those steps that I already gave you. And if you want to learn more about Instagram algorithm, I will see you on my next video.